everyone, good day. My name is RBB Panya and I'll be talking about globalization. Well, globalization is the process of connecting countries, culture, and people through trades, ideas, technology, and communication. It's a simple term. It makes the world smaller because we can share and access things worldwide faster and easier. And I'm gonna talk about technology.
Global technology encompasses the worldwide development, adaptation, and influence of innovation across sectors like AI, connectivity, and sustainability. It's the economic shift, societal change, and geopolitical dynamics, fostering both opportunity and challenge in interconnected world. Today, I'll be sharing how global technology show up in my daily life. Social media like Facebook, Instagram let us connect global, and also we have entertainment like TikTok, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube give us access to foreign music, movies, and show. For education or work, we have Google Meet and online learning app give us knowledge from global source. For positive effect, we have connection, communication easier with family, friends, and even stranger around the world. Or it's convenient for OFW to update their family, loved ones, and relatives. For education, it's also positive because student can access knowledge anytime, anywhere using platforms like YouTube, e-learning site, or maybe Google. They can search their wanna know and want they wanna learn because the information is just one click away, and they can do their homework too, search for sources or whatsoever. And also we have a digital wallet like Paymaya, Gcash, or any other platform. It makes life more convenient, like paying bills, ordering food, or even online shopping. It's make easy. To negative effect, we have addiction and health issue. Too much screen time affect sleep, focus, and even eyesight. Long screen time can lead to eye strain, poor posture, and poor physical activity. We need to balance our online life and offline life. And also we have misinformation like fake news and scam spread quickly online. Just be careful what you click for because you don't know is that real, fake, or even a scam. What they say, think before you click. And also we have cyberbullying and privacy risk. Technology can also be used negative against people.
From my experience, glo- globalization through technology taught me an important lesson. The world is very connected, but also about how we use that connection depend on us. Technology make my life easier. I can learn faster, stay in touch with people abroad, and enjoying music, movie, products from over the world. But at the same time, I realize too much dependence on technology can affect my health, study, and even my appreciation of local culture. And the biggest lesson I learned is that globalization is not just about enjoying what comes from other country, but also the how but also about being responsible in using it. As a young people, we can maximize the benefits of technology like using it mainly for education, skills, and positive connection, not just only for entertainment, and supporting local culture and products while still enjoying global ones, practicing digital responsibility to avoid fake news and respect other online and protect our privacy. For me, globalization is a gift but also a challenge. It gives us the power to connect, to learn, and to grow. The key is to use technology wisely so we can build a better future, not just for ourselves, but also for our community and over the world.